Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to share how Rapid Commission site works. Alright, so know that Rapid Commission site is a software that helps affiliate build up websites containing done for you articles so that affiliates can make more commission sharing good value content, and also to get leads from viral social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and whatever platform they choose to use. So here at the start, we have to first go to the integration tab over here and integrate the relevant affiliate platforms. Now we have ClickBank here, we have Digistore here, and we have Warrior Plus as well. But Warrior Plus doesn't require any integration because Warrior Plus requires product approval. So with that, we have features for members to input their own affiliate link that's approved within the articles. So we are going to go to that later. Now we also have 3 of the most commonly used autoresponder: Aweber, GetResponse, and MailChimp. So right now I've already integrated my GetResponse account, and also I've integrated my Facebook account so that I can do social sharing of my website. Alright, and here there's this edit profile segment, so members can go in there and edit their profile, and this is going to be shown at the bottom of every article when they share it out. So this is how members can get audience to get connected with them in this platform. So fill everything up and click on update profile. Now I'm going to show you guys how easy it is for you to create your own very beautifully done up website as well as articles and content. So all the tabs here that you see, some of them are upsells and some of them are not. Right, so I'm just going to go to dashboard. So here, if a member is an upgrader of the done for you, then we have got a done for you Rapid Commission site tab here. The moment they click on this, and all they got to do is select a niche, and everything else is going to be done for them. So they can select a niche, select the products they want to choose from, everything else is done for them. I'm going to show you guys the demonstration of a basic member. So I'm just going to click on here, right, to create a basic Rapid Commission site, and I'm going to just give this a title. So this is my best blog, let's say. All right, or my best website. All right, and I'm going to select a niche. So I've pre-installed 5 of the top converting niche in affiliate marketing space. So let's just go with the BizOp niche, right? And I'm going to set a domain. So this is a subdomain that members can use to have their website hosted with us, or they can always choose to turn on the to add on their own domain over here. All right, so I'm just going to go easy here. So bestbizop.rapidcommissionsites.com. all right, I'm just going to click next. All right, and next up, members are going to be able to edit the header of their website. And so this is a demo placeholder over here. So what I can do is to click on upload. I can select my favorite images from either my library, or I can search for them with a plugin to Pixabay. So there's like thousands of free stock images in here. So the header, I can maybe choose like black background. I'll just click on search images, and there's tons of them. So let's say I want to go with this. I'm just going to click on select, and I can add on the header. So the header, I can name it this is your favorite website. All right, and then the subheader, your one-stop affiliate solution, right? Whatever I want to name it. I can change the header color. So if maybe I'll use this color here, you can see that the headers have all been changed. So maybe I'll put like yellow and green here, and I can change the font as well. So you see that I can change the font. Maybe I'll leave it at this one. Yeah, here I'll use Dancing Script. So there you go, right? So that's the header. Next up, okay, you see that the preview is over here. I am going to be able to design my entire site. All right, so next I'm going to upload a logo. So let's say my logo is this guy over here, right? So you can choose to upload your own logo whatsoever it is. It's going to appear here at the top left hand corner, right? And these are all banners, and these are the content of the article that we can select later, right? So the background image, here maybe I want to search for background. Okay, so I see tons of backgrounds here. Maybe I want to use something more plain, so I'll use this one. There you see the background has been laid out over here, and here is the read more button setting. So it's actually this small little icon here for readers to click on. So I can just put like click here to read more. All right, and I can change the color of this text. So perhaps I want to put it to red. All right, okay, so that's done there. And in the footer right here, I can upload another image. So maybe I want to use like this image here. All right, there you go. Footer color, I can change it. I'll just leave it blank. For the font of the footer, we can always make it smaller or bigger. All right, and then you can select the fonts. I'm just going to leave it as default. And for the font of the normal text, I can maybe put it to medium, normal, and select the font family, right, and all that. So see, all these stuff are going to change based on what I've selected. Okay, so for the footer, I'm just going to put like, I've already pre-installed one here. Okay, so I can change the footer text color. I'll just leave it as white. And the social sharing button background here, I can change the colors here. Okay, so this is going to be how it looks like. All right, I'm going to click on next. Now, here's where things get interesting. So I'm going to select an article. All right, and because everything has been pre-installed, okay, this article is going to be automatically linked to whatever affiliate platform that you have integrated. So we have ClickBank, we have Warrior Plus, right? Remember I told you guys that Warrior Plus is based on approval, so you can basically type in your own product name here and put in your own product URL after you get approved, right? You can go to Digistore as well. See, all the categories are here. See that, digital products, and I've got all the categories here. Okay, so I can go to email marketing. I can click on select product, right, and look at all the products that comes out. So these are all integrated with your favorite platform. I can use ClickBank, so I'm going to use ClickBank for this demonstration. I'll go to e-business and e-marketing, and maybe I'll select my favorite niche, which is the email marketing niche, and I'm going to select a product. So these are all the products in the email marketing niche that's on ClickBank right now. I'm going to select the first one, Perpetual Income 365. I'll click on save product. Okay, and so this article is going to be tagged to this product. All right, so the next step is to select your articles. So based on the niche that you have selected, okay, which is affiliate marketing, all right, there's going to be tons of done for you articles here, right? Like best making money, online method. You can load more articles, right? And it's going to show you more results here. Okay, so you can also have, there's also featured articles in some of the niches, right? In some of the subcategories that you can choose from. So let's say in this case, I'm going to select, right, some of the done for you articles that are relevant. So maybe this one, the need for digital business, and maybe this one, best methods of making money online. So basically what you want to do is to select articles that are relevant to what you are promoting. Okay, so I can select, right, here's your affiliate marketing checklist. So I can like piece all these articles together into one article. And after I'm done selecting my articles, I just need to click on select article, and you can see that the different articles have been added to one single huge article over here, right? So here what you can do is to name your article. So you can name like why start a digital business. Okay, so you can just name it whatever title you want to name it. The call to action button can be click here for my favorite system. All right, and then you can change the text button, font, colors. So maybe the color, I want to put like this color, but the text I'll leave it at this one. And I can even upload an image for the article. So maybe I'll just use this one. All right, in here you can edit, you can choose to edit the articles, you can add more articles, you can add more content in here, you can change up the font, the title of the article, you can change up the styles, you can bold, right? So you can like bold this thing, you can even like hyperlink this thing, like make money from home, you can hyperlink this, I'm just going to put a sample here. All right, there you go. Okay, so you can customize your articles to your liking as well. You can even like add images in the middle over here. You can add a URL image or link image in there. Right, so everything is very simple and intuitive for you. I just need to click on create articles, and there you go. I've got one article over here. So I can create multiple articles as well. Right, so maybe I'll create one more for demonstration purposes. Maybe in Digistore, I can go to digital products. Maybe I'll go to this niche over here, business and investments. I'll go to this one here, and I'll click on save product. All right, so now this article is tagged to this product, and I can just go ahead to just select a couple more articles. All right, let me just load more. Okay, I'm just going to select one more. Right, just one more. Let's see. All right, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and I'm going to click on select articles. So same thing, right? I can give it a title, give it a button, upload an image. Right, so maybe use this one. Button color, change it there, button text there, and I'll create the article. So here I've got two articles here in my site. Right, so right now I'm going to click on next, and I'm just going to leave these pages alone. So these pages, you know, are for you to add on like terms and conditions, privacy policies and all that. I'm just going to leave it alone. And now I can add in my banners. So this is if you want to like monetize your different banners. You want to put in your affiliate link in the banners, or you can also monetize Google Ads here, right? I mean Google AdSense. Okay, so maybe I'll just upload a few of them. Maybe I'll use this one as the top banner. As you can see, guys, if you want to upload a banner, make sure that the size are all towards this sizing. Otherwise, it's going to look a little bit weird, right? So I'm just gonna, you know, just for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna upload a couple of them for you guys to see. So I add a top banner and a bottom banner here, and there's a side banner as well that I can add. So maybe the side banner, I'll use this one. All right, and it's going to show you exactly what kind of cutout it's going to be. So you can just add your affiliate link in here, or whatever link it is, or just add Google code. Click on save banner. All right, and click on next. Okay, it's cool. So we want to capture leads, and in order for us to capture leads, when someone reads our article and realize, hey, there's pretty much, you know, there's some good value in here, I want to join this guy's mailing list. Once you have integrated your autoresponder in the integration tab, all you got to do is to click on the selected autoresponder and go to your mailing list. So it's going to auto populate mailing lists, the mailing lists that are already in your autoresponder. So in that case, maybe I just select active buyer. Here you can select where the opt-in form is going to come out from. So is it going to slide from the left to the right? Is it going to be in the header? Is it going to be in the sidebar? Right, so in this case, I'll probably do the sidebar option. All right, and I can basically add the text. So click here, receive daily articles from us, right? And I can click on submit now. Right, your dose of motivation, something like that, right? The button color, maybe I put red, the text color, text color, I'll leave it as black, and the button color, I'll put it at yellow. Okay, there you go. And the action button, so this is your thank you message, can be thank you for signing up. Okay, I can even upload an image here. So maybe I'll just use this image, right? And I can put a redirect link. So this link is like a one-time offer, or it can be something else. So if you want someone to go to visit a certain link or a certain product after they opted in, this is the redirect link. So I'm just going to put like google.com, right? Just for example. All right, and in here you can turn on social sharing so that you know, your articles can be virally shared across the different platforms. So I'm going to take some of them. All right, and I'm gonna go, and you can also select, you know, your URLs here. All right, if you want to just grab them and share it there. And once it's done, all I gotta do is click on publish. And I can see that this is my website over here, and I will go ahead to see how it looks like. And here we are. This is how the site looks like. Alright, so you can see the logo at the top, you can see the header here. Okay, and you can scroll down. This is actually the top banner here. Obviously I just randomly select one. You can always create one and put it up here. These are the articles. So article 1, article 2, this is the image I've selected for the articles. This is a search bar that's here by default. Remember this banner on the right that we put here as well. So once you click on this, it's going to go to the website that you have placed on. And here, remember the opt-in box here. So receive your daily articles, dose of motivation. You can put your name and email address, click on submit. It's going to be registered in your email autoresponder, and it's going to bring them to the next offer that you have presented based on the URL you have placed as well. And then you have the footer image. This is the banner image at the bottom, and the footer right here, right? So there you go. I know that this demo, right, I've selected random images, but of course you get the idea. You can always pick the right images for your articles. So let's say if I click here to read more, right, if I do click into one article, so this is the article image that I've selected, right? You can see that the banner ad is still on top, the banner ad is still on the left, the opt-in box is still here, right? And here you can see the article that I've published, right? You can always change the background, right? This background is selected by random, so you can always change the background, all right? Or you can change the text color so that it looks, it stands out a lot more. And so here are the different social sharing icons that I've created as well. So you can just click and share them to wherever you want, or readers can come in here to click and share them to wherever they want. Once they click on this button here, you can see that if I open a new tab, it's going to go into the product that I've selected. So this is the Perpetual Income 365 product I've selected on ClickBank. So it's going to be based on whatever product that you have submitted here, right? And here you can see that this is my bio. It's here. I have my Facebook and Instagram here based on the initial description that I've placed, and everything is good to go. So all you got to do right now is to, share this content, or you can, share this brand new website that you have created to your favorite social media platforms, or you can even send out all the different article links to your readers if you have an email list, and you can, basically share with them awesome value, awesome content, just to add value to them. And if they are keen, they can click on the affiliate link down there that you have placed, and they're going to make a purchase, and that's how you make commissions, right? So there you have it, right? This is how Rapid Commission site works. You've got a very beautifully done up website that you can call your own, and you can just keep adding new articles every single day and make this site your own. Start capturing leads and start making commissions. Okay, so that's all for this training video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.